Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is my 2021 planner, and it's two of my favorite colors, gold and hot pink. So let's go ahead and look at it. This is all before I'm putting anything in at all. So it has 21 and 22 year outlooks. It has a few sticker pages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticker pages. And then it goes into the tabs. So it has tabs for each month. I'm just gonna go through one tab because they all look the same. So it has, I can put a goal, the things I need to do for the month, and then any reminders I have for the month, and then a little overview of the month, birthdays and important dates. This is the month layout, notes, and some to-do items. And then there is the weekly layout. So I like it to be Monday through Sunday because my work week is Monday through Friday, and I kind of group Saturday and Sunday together, so I like that they're together. I like that it has like a little saying at the top of each, and then section for notes for the week. Same thing, different little saying. And then a full page of notes at the end of the month, February. And I'm just gonna flip. That is March, April, May, June, July, August, which is my birthday month, September, October, November, and December. And then the back, it has an extra note page. This is an Ecolo planner, spiral bound, and the back is just the pink, and it's like a man-made faux leather kind of feel of the planner.